Good luck, both teams. This game is championship games between Samsung Rekutu and Garbenko. Bola ngayon nakuha ng Samsung Rekutu, number 21, pinasa sa ilalim, wala nakagawa ng number 7. Number 7 yung pinasa sa malayo, ay pinasa sa walang katao-tao. Hala, katutuya. Bola ngayon ng Samsung Rekutu. Number 21 inbound the ball. Pass to number 28, Inverse. Inverse ngayon, nagdi-dribble. Ipinasa ka number 27. Number 27 si Tay. Pasa sa ilalim. Pinasa ka number 28. Number 28 ngayon go boost. Number 28, yes, 2 points. Foul number 13. Bonus run in reverse. Ready, jumper. M-I-L-O. Yes, Milo. Bola ngayon ng Garbenko. Limbaro inbound the ball. Pass to Tura number 13. Tura ngayon. Nag-dribble. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pass to Toledo number 10. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Guy. Good rebound by number 7. 2 points. Historico ngayon. Nag-dribble. Stick Rico. Historico ngayon. Ipinasa sa labas. Number 21 na tres. No good. Rebound sa ilalim. Number 27 nakuha mula. Number 27. Yes, 2 points by number 27.
Round score 5 against 2.
Third. Number 13 yan. Tura.
Shots at 15.
7. Pumasok. Ay, pinangga ang pader.
12 seconds to shoot.
Number 13 yan. Tura.
5 seconds to shoot.
To number 6, Limbaro ng tres. Yes, 3 points. Limbaro.
That's a deadlock score, 5-all.
21 sa ilalim, pasa number 8. It's a last touch. Bola kaya ng Garbenko.
Remaining time is 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
Number 6 inbound the ball to number 13, Tura. Tura ngayon, nag-dribble si Tura. Kumana lang pasan, pinasa sa ilalim kay Toledo. Toledo naman, bilanggan na naman ang pader. Pinasa sa labas number 7 kay Tumira 3. No good, rebound ni Gonzales. Luxor.
12 seconds to shoot.
Bola ka rin ng Garbenko. Number 7 inbound the ball.
12 seconds to shoot.
Number 7 sa labas, so number 13. Number 6, Limbaro, Tumira, Prince of Black. Kumbal. Number 21 yun. To Historico number 1. No good. Nakuha ni Gonzales ang rebound. Pass to Tura, number 13. To number 7. Number 7 ngayon. Pasa sa number 10. Number 10. Hinarakan na naman ang laging mama. Ipinasa niya lang. Yes! Napakaganda play by number 7.
Round score 7 against 5. 2-point lead Garbenko.
Number 21 ngayon ang Samsung Rekutu. Visitasyon. Pasa sa number 28. Bunti na shoot. Wala. Visitasyon ngayon pumasok. Hinarangan na lang naman. May kasamang foul. Who's foul rep? Number 21. Holding foul. Visitasyon.
Yes, personal foul on jersey number 21. Visitasyon. Remaining time is 7 minutes and 15 seconds.
Bola ngayon ng Garbenko. Tura. To Limbaro back to Tura. Tura ngayon pa dribble. Nagahanap ng pasahan.
15 seconds to shoot.
To number 19, Gonzales pumasok. Hinarangan ni Walang Mama. Ipinasa sa labas. Number 10, Tumira. No good. Rebound nga ni Historico. Historico ngayon nagmamadali. Aras Bayoy. Naaga ang bola. Number 13 ngayon. Pumasok. Ipinasa kay Gonzales. Gonzales sa ilalim. Yes, sir.
I'm out. Samsung Rekutu. Round score 9 against 5. 4-point lead Garbenko. Remaining time is 6 minutes and 49 seconds.
favor of Garbenco. Time in for the timeout break. Pula ngayon ng Samsorego.
Remaining time is 6 minutes and 49 seconds of the first quarter. Round score 9 against 5, 4.2 Garbenco.
Number 11 to number 2. Number 2 ngayon. Number 2 pumasok. Si number 2 ay naagaw ang bola. Nakuha ni number 7. May kasamang foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 11. Pushing foul. Number 6 to number 13. Tura. Tura. Nagana mo basan? Pasok na hesitate. Ipinasa sa ilalim ng Gonzales. Wala. Nakuha ang rebound ng Samsorego. Number 28. Nagbabalik si number 28. Number 28 tuloy-tuloy pumasok. Yes sir! 2 points by number 28.
Round score 9 against 7, 2.8 Garbenco. Round time 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
Tura. Dribble si Tura. Okay. Pipinasa ka number 19. Gonzales. Pasa sa labas to number 6. To number 7, Sagino. No good. Rebound ni number 27. Mula kayo ng Samsorego to. Number 28. To number 5. Sa ilalim. Ipinasa alam. Inabas. Munti ka ng magaw. Natapik ni number 10. Ay, number 27 pa lang na.
5 minutes and 15 seconds of the first quarter. Round score 9 against 7, 2.8 Garbenco.
Number 13. Number 13 yung pumasok. Ipinasa sa lalang ni Gonzales. Ipinasa sa labas. Limbano ngayon. Fake. Shades of black by number 5. Nakuha ko ng bola ni number 13. Tura ay. Nakapik ang bola ni number 27.
20 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and 33 seconds of the first quarter.
Bula pa rin ang Garbenco. Number 7 to number 10. Dumidiskarte si number 10. Floater. No good. Rebound ni number 28. May kasamang foul. Number 19, Gonzales.
First personal foul on jersey number 19, Gonzales.
Number 2, dribble. Number 2 ngayon, dumidiskarte. Pinasa ka number 28 to 27. 27 seconds. Pinasa ilalim. David Manok from Sorego to. Wala, it's a block. Limbaro ngayon, nagmamadali si Limbaro. Layup, no good. Nakuha ang rebound number 27. To number 5. Number 5 sa ilalim. Ay, nakakuha ni number 7 sa Gino. Number 7 to number 19 sa ilalim. Nabitaw ang bola number 19. Ay, kasamang foul. Number 7 foul.
Timeout, Garbenco.
Garbenco 3-team foul. Samsorego 2-team foul. Time in for a timeout break.
Both team, 1 timeout left. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Round is score 9 against 7, 2.8 Garbenco.
Number 21, nagkaroon pasahan to number 27. Aras by number 6, Limparap. 27, pull up, no good. Rebound ngayon ng number 13. Nakuha ang bola ni number 6. Number 6, nagkaroon pasahan si number 6. To number 7. Number 7 ngayon, Faith. Pumasok sa number 7. Pinasa sa kalaban. Nakuha ni number 28. Naagaw ang bola ni number 13. Ay, last time. Bula pa rin ang Samsorego 2.
Remaining time is 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Number 11. Dribble to blast. Pumasok. Hinarangan ni number 19. Ay, magandang pagkapasok ni number 11.
Yes, and deadlock score, 9-all. 4 minutes and 20 seconds of the first quarter.
Number 13, Tura. Dumidiskarte. Tura ngayon.
Shot clock at 13.
Haras pa number 5. Pass
9 seconds to shoot.
Number 7, number 3. No good. Rebound ni number 11. To number 27. Pass to number 21. Number 21 ngayon nagmamadali. Tinira, no good. Kuha ang rebound na number 7. Pass kay number 6. Limbaro. Limbaro ngayon. To number 13, tumira 3. No good. Rebound ni number 27. Hindi ka nagaw. Natapit. Nakuha ang bola ni number 6. Limbaro. Limbaro ngayon. Nila number 11. It's a foul. Number 11, foul.
Subdivision, Saginot, replaced by Mr. Pudo. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Subdivision, Limbaro, replaced by Fernandez.
Number 18 inbound ni ball. Pasa kay number 10. Number 10 ngayon.
Yes, second shot.
Tumira 3. No good. Rebound ni number 11. Number 11 ngayon. Nagdadala ng bola si number 11. Haras by number 26. The smallest man in the court.
12 seconds to shoot.
Number 28. No good. Number 10.
Warning for penalty, Team Gorbeto.
2 free throw by number 28. Unang bitaw. No good.
Remaining time is 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Substitution. Jersey number 5 out, replaced by jersey number 8.
Huling bitaw ni number 28. Ready jumper. Yes, 1 point.
Race forward, not there is 9. 1 point is on Sorego.
Number 13 ngayon.
Running time 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Nagagang bola number 11. Number 8, nagdadala ng bola. Ulat lang daw by number 8. Number 8 ngayon. Number 8 to number 28.
12 seconds to shoot.
To number 27, tumira. Yes, 2 points by number 27.
Running score 12 against 9. 3-point lead on Sorego. Running time 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Sa ilalim, no good. Nakuha ang rebound ni Gonzales. Fake. That's a foul counted. Number 27 foul. Substitution rep.
Tony out, replaced by Limbaro. Remaining time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Running score 12 against 11. 1 point lead on Sorego.
Huling bitaw. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 9. Buti ka na mago ni number 26. Number 26 haras by na. Right. Hinay-hinay lang. Foul number 26.
Penalty situation.
Penalty runner.
Remaining time is 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Running score 12 against 11. 1 point lead, Team Sorego.
Two free throw awarded by number 21. Visitasyon. Unang bitaw ni number 21. Effective na ngayon.
Substitution. Pull out, replaced by Limbaro.
Shout out ko sa mga fans sa GRBM ko ha. Effort kayo masingit ang wala.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 23 seconds.
Ay, wala. Counted kita. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Aras by number 8. Number 6 nga, nagana mapasan. Number 11, ipinasa sila kay Limbaro. Number 2, Limbaro, aras by 2. Kyle, Jackson Sorego. Substitution.
Round score 13 against 11. 2-point lead Zamso Regulos.
No good. Pulling it down, Fernandez ready jumper.
Remaining time is 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Round score 13 against 11. 2-point lead Zamso Regulos.
No good pa rin. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 11. Pula ngayon ng Samson Rego 2. Number 11 nagdadala ng bola. Haras pa number 26 Pinter Fernandez. Number 11 Patrick Roy. No good. Number 9 Spinong. Nakuha ang bola number 18. Pasa ka number 6 ni Pao. Foul.
Penalty situation.
Foul number 8. True free throw by number 6. No good.
Remaining time 1 minute and 47 seconds.
Huling bitaw ni Limbaro, ready jumper. One point by Limbaro.
1 minute and 45 seconds.
Number 21. Shots on the right. To number 11 sa labas. Binalik ang bola number 8.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 21 na bumasok. Ay, nakaga ang bola number 2. Nakuha ulit ang
5 seconds to shoot.
21. Nabitawan ang bola number 27. Ay, kasama foul. Foul number 11. Penalty rep. Unang bitawan ni number 27. No good.
Remaining time 1 minute and 23 seconds.
Ready jumper. Huling bitaw number 27. Yes, 1-4.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Number 26, dribbling well.
15 seconds to shoot.
Limbaro, paturo-turo sa kasama. Limbaro ngayon.
10 seconds to shoot.
Tapos may number 8, Limbaro pumasok. Tumira. No good. Nakuha rebound ni number 9. Paso number 9. Number 9! Nakalimutan ng height ni number 21.
1 minute and 2 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining.
Bola ngayon ng Gerbemco.
Run score 14 against 12. 2-point lead Zamso Regulos.
26 to number 6.
A minute more to play.
Crossover. Hayas by number 8.
55 seconds. 40 seconds to shoot.
Natapik ang bola. Puting ang balon.
50 seconds.
Nakuha ang bola ni number 27. Binasa ka number 9. Hindi na makahabol ang bola. Masyadong malakas ang pakasa ni number 27.
44 seconds remaining. 44 seconds remaining.
Number 26 inbounded well. To number 6.
40 seconds.
Number 6 nga pumasok. Pipinas sa labas. May kasamang foul.
Penalty situation.
Foul number 8. Jersey number 8.
Remaining time 37 seconds.
Unang bitaw ni Limbaro. Yes. 1-4.
Round score 14 against 13. 1-point lead Zamso Regulos. 37 seconds remaining.
Huling bitaw. Ready jumper. Wala. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 2. Tumira. No good. Rebound pa rin ang Gerbemco. Natapik ang bola. Yes. Bola pa rin
32 seconds. 32 seconds remaining. 12 seconds to shoot.
Number 18 to number 26. Pass to number 6.
8 seconds to shoot.
No good. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound ni number 11. Yeah! Walang katao.
Time out. Sam Soregones. Remaining time 24 seconds. Score, Chase Favor, 15 against 14, 1 point lead, Garbenco.
Syagit po mga taga Samsung Rega 2. Pala.
24 seconds remaining.
Alam ba ito yan? Number 8, dribbling the ball.
18 seconds. 15 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot.
Bago mula. Ako pa rin number 8.
8 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time for the first quarter.
Round score 15 against 14, 1 point lead, Team Garbenco.
By number 5, pass to number 7. Number 7 pumasok. Ipinasa sa labas.
4 seconds to shoot.
Number 7 inbound in the ball. To number 13, Tura. Tura to number 10. Passes sa labas to number 6.
8 seconds to shoot.
Number 6 yun. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 11. Ay number 10. May kasamang foul. Counted. Number 20, foul. Bonus throw ni number 10. Bloody jumper. Next, one point.
Round score 18 against 14, 4 point lead, Garbenco.
Number 2, oras by number 13. Pasa kay number 91. Foul. Foul the jersey number 10. Two free throw by number 91. Wala yun.
Round score 18 against 14, 4 point lead, Garbenco.
Huling bilaw, ready jumper. Wala nagyapon. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound ng Garbenco. Number 28. No good. Ay, grabe si number 95.
6 seconds to shoot.
Fake. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 10. Number 10 ngayon. Aras by number 2. Number 10 tuloy-tuloy. Lumiyak. Yes. 2 points by number 92. By number 2.
20 against 14, 6 point lead, Garbenco.
Number 2, dribbling the ball. Nagana na basahan. Kickball.
8 minutes and 59 seconds remaining, 14 seconds to shoot.
Number 5, inbound the ball. Pasa ka number 28. Hesitation 3.
10 seconds to shoot.
Pinasa sa lalim. Number 91 yan. Spin move. No good pa rin. Bola na Samsung Rega 2. Plus ball.
8 minutes and 47 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Round score 20 against 14.
Number 5. Number 5 nga. Nagdala ng bola. Paso number 30. Tumira na 3. Hey, may Pinoy. Number 6. dribbling the ball. Number 6 yan.
Shot clock at 15.
Yung baro sa ilalim. Pasa ka number 19 Gonzalez. Next 2 points by number 19.
Running score 22 against 14. With the team Garbanco.
Number 5 yun. Pumasok si number 5. Ay! Nabitawan ang bola ni number 5. Nakuha ni number 91. Yes! 2 points by number 91.
Running score 22 against 16. 6.8 team Garbanco. Running time is 8 minutes and 2 seconds.
Yung baro ngayon. Yung pinasa kay number 10.
12 seconds shoot.
5. Sa labas. To number 7 tumira. No good ring. Nakuha pa rin na rebound ni number 9. Foul, jersey number 5. Substitution. Toritondo out, Historico in.
7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining of the second quarter. 40 seconds to shoot.
Pwede na. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 1. Number 1 yan, Badjibo, haras by number 19. Natapik ang bola, nakuha ni number 2. Pasa ka number 19, panabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ngayon ni number 6. Number 6 haras by number 2. Who's foul red? Jersey number 2, blocking foul. Substitution. Number 2 out, number 21 in. Number 6 inbound the ball to number 13, Tura. Number 13 yan, pumasok. Natapik ang bola. Nakuha ni number 91. Napasa kay number 5. Walang katao-tao. Yes! 2 points by number 5.
Running score 22 against 18. 4.8 team Garbanco.
Tura to number 7.
40 seconds to shoot.
Number 7 yan. No good. Nakuha ka rin mag-block. Nakuha pa rin ni Tura ang bull. To number 6, sa ilalim kay number 10. Walang katao-tao kay number 10.
Running time 6 minutes and 45 seconds.
Number 1 to number 28, tingin ng tres. No good. Nakuha ang rebound number 5. Foul.
Substitution. Sagino out. Gonzalez out, replaced by Puno Limbaro.
Foul jersey number 19.
Second personal foul of Mr. Gonzalez. 3 team fouls, Garbanco. Asan sa right?
Number 28 to number 5, may kasama foul, counted. Who's foul, rep? Jersey number 10, pa.
Toledo, third personal foul.
Warning for Alice. Team captain din is number 10.
Substitution. Toledo out, replaced by Marshall. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 39 seconds.
Pulling bitaw ni number 5, ready jumper. Hello, yes.
Running score, 24 against 21. 3-point lead, team Garbanco.
Number 6 yan, drinking the ball. Number 6, bumidiscard is number 6. Pamalo-malo.
12 seconds to shoot.
Number 6 pass to number 18.
8 seconds to shoot.
To number 13, Tura.
5 seconds to shoot.
Pass ang dalalim.
2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot.
2 second shot clock. 2 segundos. Good. Long pass to number 5. Yes, 2 points by number 5. Timeout, Garbanco.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Isang sureko, napay 2 ka timeout. Garbanco, sana lang. team, 3 team fouls.
Timing for the timeout break.
6 minutes and 6 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Running score 24-23. 1 point lead team Garbenco.
Inbounding jersey number 1, Garbenco, to number 6. Limbaro ngayon paturo-turo. Ipinasa ka number 1, Bacos to number 6. Number 6 ngayon, sa labas na number 18, tumira atrás. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 21. Bola ng Zamso, Rego 2. Inbound in the ball. Pass to number 1.
5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Number 21, tumira. No good. Nakuha ang bola ni number 1. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to number 10. Okay. Number 10. Yes. Ganda ng reverse layup ni number 10.
Running score 26-23. 3 point lead team Garbenco.
Number 1, dribbling the ball is to Rio. Nabitawan ang bola. Storigo ngayon. To number 28. Tumira atrás. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Storigo ang bola. May kasamang paaw. Foul rep. Jersey number 1, Bacos. Penalty na. Wala pa. Wala pa.
Warning for penalty team Garbenco.
Number 5. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 10. Number 10. Warning for Cristian.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 14 seconds.
Unang bitaw ni number 5. Yes, one more.
Substitution. Tumulito out. Replaced by Mr. Limbaro. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Running score 26-24. 2 point lead Garbenco.
Uling bitaw ni number 5. Yes, one more.
25-26. 1 point lead Garbenco. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining.
Limbaro ngayon ang dadala ng bola. Limbaro na nga napapasahan. Pasa kay number 1. Tumira atrás. Masyadong malakas. Nabitaw ng bola sa lalim. Nagagawan. Nakuha ang bola number 91. Ay. Hinay-hinay na ta. Limbaro tumira. Nagit. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound ni number 91. Pass to number 21. Anas by number 1. Ang daming 1. Number 21 pumasok. Yes! 2 points by number 21.
Challenge favor. 27-26. 1 point lead Zamso Regodos.
Number 1. Pass kay number 11. Number 11 pass by number 5.
8 seconds to shoot.
Bola ni number 1.
8 seconds to shoot.
Di na ako makita Duren. Nakagawa ang bola ni number 21. Number 21 na yun. Yes, guys, by number 21. Naka-MVP mode si number 21. Number 2, Limbaro. Kagana na basahan.
15 seconds to shoot.
Limbaro to Limbaro. The brother. Nakagawa bola ni number 91. Pass to number 5. Walang kataw daw. Yes, sir. Tama! Garbenco.
Running score 31-26. 5 point lead team Zamso Regodos.
Garbenco, wala namang timeout sa second quarter.
Remaining time is 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Remaining time 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Running score 31 against 26. 5-point lead, Zamso Regulus.
Number 13 to number 26, Bernales. Sagino, number 7. Nagana po sa number 26, wait, pasa ka number 19. Black by number 27.
8 seconds to shoot.
Nakagawa po na number 27 ngayon. Number 27 ay nakuha pa rin number 15. May kasamang foul.
Balbucos, second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Team Samsorego.
Ibunda ka na, mawa ka na.
3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Warning for penalty, Team Samsorego.
Tura inbounding the ball. Pasa kay number 7, Sagino. Sagino ngayon pa dribble. Haras by number 9.
15 seconds to shoot.
Di ka na magaw.
12 seconds to shoot.
Gonzales sa SNM. Wala pa rin. Nakuha number 21. Number 1. Haras by number 26. To number 27. Back to number 1.
40 seconds to shoot.
Number 1. Patay ang butik hit. Number 7. Yun. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Nakalimutan ng height ni number 26.
3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Minutes more to play.
Number 1 yan, Historico. Di ba? Nagana mabasa si Historico.
40 seconds to shoot.
Ay! Sa kick ball. Bola nga ng Garpen.
2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining of the second quarter.
Number 3, buti ka na makagod. Nakuha ang bola. Bola pa rin ng Garpen ko. Shakit daw mga taga-Garpen ko. Kaya naluyan na daw.
15 seconds to shoot.
Asa mo na taga-Samsorego? Ay, nabitaw na bola.
14 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining.
Number 7 inbounding the ball. Pass to number 19. May kasamang foul.
Penalty situation.
Number 28 foul. 2 free throw awarded to number 19 Gonzales.
First personal foul of Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes, 1-1. Kanina.
Running score 31 against 27. 4
Ala paturuta.
Samsorego.
Huling bidal number 19. Ready jumper. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 21. Ay, naagaw ni number 27. Ay, 23 din. Who's ball left? Jersey number 27.
Penalty situation.
2 free throw awarded again by number 19. 2.
Second personal foul on Mr. Ardarego.
Unang bitaw ng number 18. Yes, goodbye.
Score 31 against 28.
Laban na tuloy yan.
3-point lead, Sam Sorego.
No good. Rebound in number 5.
7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
To number 1. Nabitawan ang bola ni number 1. Bulangan ng Garbat ko.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Running score 31 against 28. 3-point lead, Sam Sorego.
26. To number 13. Number 13 pumasok. Ipinasa sa ilalim kay Gonzales. Ay, natapig ang bola. Bola pa rin ng Garbat ko.
15 seconds shot clock.
Number 13 to Mirandas. No good. Rebound ni Gonzales. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin ang bola ng Garbat ko. Number 7.
8 seconds to shoot.
Sagino pumasok. Ipinasa sa ilalim na banda. No good. Number 5. Yes.
2 minutes more to play.
Number 13. To number 19. Number 19 pumasok. Ipinas na labas si Fernandez. Fernandez yun. Back to Gonzales. Natapik ang bola. Nakuha ang number. Jersey number 1. It's a traveling violation by jersey number 1.
1 minute and 45 seconds. Shot position.
Timeout. Samso record.
Remaining time 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Timeout break.
1 minute and 45 seconds remaining of the second quarter. Running score 33 against 28. 5-point lead, Sam Sorego.
Number 6 inbound in the ball. Back to number 6. To number 3 to Menendez. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 27. Long pass to number 5. Yes, sir. Defines by number 5.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Imbaro ngayon pumasok. Katapik ang bola.
11 seconds to shoot.
Nailom lagi.
Man! Napakagandang play sana. Hindi lang na kompleto. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 7. Ipinasa sa management. Ay, nakuha na number 1. Number 1 to number 21. Yes, good guys by number 21.
A minute more to play.
Number 13.
55 seconds.
To number 6. Hindi ka na makagawa ni number 5.
15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Number 6, Faith. Pumasok.
35 seconds.
May kasarang foul. Substitution, Deb. Gymnastic.
Second personal foul of Mr. Rodriguez. 43 seconds remaining.
Unang bitaw ni number 7. No good.
Running score 37 against 28. 9-point lead Team Samsung Reco.
Huling bitaw ni number 7. Ready jumper.
43 seconds remaining.
No good pa rin. Nakuha ang rebound ni number 27. So number 1.
40 seconds.
Number 1 yan. Tuloy-tuloy si number 1. Ipinasa sa bus.
35 seconds. Shot clock at 14.
Number 27. Pull up. No good. Nakuha pa rin ang rebound ni number 27. Number 27 pa rin tumira. No good pa rin.
25 seconds.
13 to number 6. Limbaro na bitawan ng bola. May kasamang foul. Cruising foul. Jersey number 21.
And at this situation, jersey number 21, warning. 21 seconds remaining. Substitution.
21 out, 2 in.
21 seconds remaining of the second quarter.
Unang bitawan ni Limbaro. No good. No good. Nakuha ang rebound ni number
15 seconds. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for the second quarter.
Score 37 against 29 in favor of Samsung Reco 2.